Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel where I talk reality about life, travel experience and entertainment adventures. So today I just want to talk about life in general. Life, what is life? Because other people just think that things just happen naturally in life. But no, that's not it. It doesn't happen naturally. You are the one who actually makes some efforts, some actions for things to happen. Because if you really want things to happen naturally, think it this way. If you need food, you are going to work. There is no food that is going to come without you working. So it is essential and important for you to be able to have some goals, have some dreams in life. At this age, I would like to accomplish this, and this. Let me tell you how can you start to create your life. We can start with goal setting. How do you set goals? So it can start as simple as how do you plan your day? Like if you wake up early in the morning, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna start with? So for it to be easier for you, you really have to plan the day before. Because somebody once said, lack of planning will lead to failure. So if you're not planning, definitely you will fail. So guys, what I'm telling you right now is you really have to plan your life. Make sure that your life is being planned, and each and every time things are in order. Plan. If it's a year, plan a year before. Next year, and I already have my goals for next year. I already know what I am supposed to do. If things are not working, how best can I put that work into plans? So you start with smaller ones. Your daily goals. How about your weekly goals, your monthly goals, your quarterly goals, your yearly goals? You have to have a plan about decades. I've been reading a book whereby Harvard students have been profiled, and each and everyone has been asked to write their goals, and the others were told never to write your goals. Then somebody once said, years later, the ones who had written down goals tend to be more successful than the ones who didn't write anything. So make it a habit of writing things down. Write things down and make everything that you want to achieve on paper, because writing things down really opens up your mind for other goals and even for ways to achieve that goal that you've already written on paper. So guys, I'm just sharing with you life tips, life advice that I know is really helpful to you, and I know you are going to like it. You are going to use it one way or the other. You are going to use it in your life. So guys, make sure that you have written things down. You know your goals, you know what you want to achieve. You have to plan your life, you see. So yeah, this was just a simple advice that I really had for you today, and I realized I can't go to sleep without sharing this one with you. I just want to thank you guys for subscribing to my channel and sharing all my videos. I greatly appreciate it and I like it. Thank you so much. Let's meet in the next one. Bye.